My dear students, now we are going to talk about electricity book back question answers. First one, choose the appropriate answer. The device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Option A, option B, option A fan, solar cell, shell and television. Listen carefully. Converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Therefore, answer C, cell. Second question, electricity is produced in transformer, power station, electric wire and television. Answer power station. Choose the symbol for battery. Choose the symbol for battery. Option A. Fourth question, in which among the following circuits does the bulb glow? Option D. Option D. Fifth question, dash is a good conductor? Silver or wood or rubber or plastic? Silver is a good conductor. Option A. Fill in the blanks. First question, dash are the materials which allow electric current to pass through them? First one, answer conductors. Conductors are the materials which allow electric current to pass through them. Second question, flow of electricity through a closed circuit is? Dash answer a complete electric circuit. Third question, dash is the device used to close or open an electric circuit? Answer key or switch. Fourth question, the long perpendicular line in the electrical symbol represents dash terminal? Positive terminal. Fifth question, the combination of two or more cells is called a dash? The combination of two or more cells is called a battery. True or false? If false, give the correct statement. Question number 1. In a parallel circuit, the electricity has more than one path. Answer true. Second question, to make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. It's a wrong answer. Answer false. To make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the other cell. To make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of the other cell. Third question, the switch is used to close or open an electric circuit? Yes. Answer true. Question number 4. Pure water is a good conductor of electricity? False. Because impure water is a good conductor of electricity. Impure water is a good conductor of electricity. And question number 5. Secondary cell can be used only once? False. Only primary cells can be used only once. Secondary cell can be used again and again. Therefore, answer false. Primary cells can be used only once. Match the following. Look the symbol and description. Answer. First symbol plus and minus battery, and bulb symbol. Bulb does not glow. And open key, and bulb glow. Fourth symbol bulb glow, and fifth symbol shell. Next one, arrange in sequence. A cell, a device, electrical energy is called into chemical energy that converts. Answer: a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called cell. Question number 1. In the given circuit diagram, which of the following of the given switch should be closed so that only the bulb glows? Answer: switch K1, K2 should be closed. Question number 2. Assertion: it is very easy for our body to receive electric shock. Reason: human body is a good conductor of electricity. Answer: both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation for A. Question number 3. Can you produce electricity from lemon? Answer: yes, I can produce electricity from lemon. Question number 4. Identify the conductor from the following figures. Answer: a conductor is iron chain. Okay. Question number 5. What type of circuit is there in a torchlight? What type of circuit? Single circuit system is used in a torchlight. Question number 6. Circle the odd one out. Reason for your choice. Switch, bulb, battery, generator. Answer: generator, switch, bulb, battery are the components used to make a simple circuit. Generator is used to generate electricity. Give short answers. Question number 1. Draw the circuit diagram for series connection. K for key, B for battery, L1, L2, L3. Light 1, light 2, light 3. It's a series connection. Question number 2. Can the cell used in the clock give us an electric shock? Justify your answer. Answer: the cell used in clock will not give us an electric shock because the voltage of that cell is very low, nearly 1.5 volt. So it will not affect our body. Question number 3. Silver is a good conductor, but it is not preferred for making electric wires. Why? Answer: silver is a good conductor, but it is a costly metal, so it is not preferred for making electric wire. Answer in detail. Question number 1. What is the source of electricity? Explain the various power stations in India. Source of electricity: thermal power station, hydel power station, atomic power station, and windmills and solar system. And answer: in first one, thermal power station. In thermal power station, thermal energy is generated by burning coal, diesel, or gas to produce steam. Steam is used to rotate turbine to generate electricity. Here, heat energy is converted into electric energy. Hydel power station. In hydel power station, the turbine is made to rotate by the flow of water from dams. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. And atomic power station. Here, nuclear energy is used to boil water. Then the steam thus produced is used to rotate the turbine. As a result, electricity is produced. Here, nuclear energy is converted into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. And windmills. In windmills, wind energy is used to rotate turbine to produce electricity. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Question 2. Derive the different components of an electric circuit and their respective symbols. If you look at the picture, electric cell, figure cell, symbol, battery and symbol, switch open, open symbol, switch closed, closed symbol, electric bulb, not glowing and glowing, and connecting wires, symbol. Question number 3. Write short notes on conductor and insulators. Answer: conductors. The rate of flow of electric charges in a circuit is called electric current. Listen, the rate of flow of electric charges in a circuit is called electric current. The materials which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. Example: coppers, ions, aluminum, impure water, earth, and etc. Insulation are non-conductors. The materials which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulators or non-conductors. Example: plastic, glass, wood, rubber, china clay, ebonite, etc. Students, all the best. God bless you.